Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about quadrilaterals and dito sa video na to ay pag-aaral natin kung ano ba ang definition ng parallelogram at yung mga properties niya. No? So kung nakikita nyo sa inyong screen, nandito na yung definition ng parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. No? So kung napapansin niyo, meron na tayong tatlong points dito connected by segments. Yan na yung dalawang sides natin. At based on sa definition, ay i-construct natin yung parallelogram. Sabi niya, two pairs of parallel sides. Ibig sabihin, yung isang side merong parallel dito, no? So, paano yung gagawin? We can use the parallel line tool and then click the side. And you see, kahit anong gawin ko, parallel siya dito, no? And then I click here. So, this line will contain the side parallel to this, no? Now notice that as I move, what happens? It maintains the restriction na parallel, no? Or the condition that the two segments are, or the line and the line segments are parallel. Next, we create another line which is parallel to this. And passing through this, no? Okay, so this side will also contain, or this line will also contain the side of the parallelogram. At yung intersection nila, yun yung ating pang-apat na vertex. No? Okay, so we have our parallelogram ito. Ito, no? So what we can do, para hindi tayo ma-distract, is to tanggalin natin to. I-hide lang natin siya. Nandyan pa rin siya, no? Hindi lang natin siya nakikita. And then to connect these points. 3 points. And we have our parallelogram. So, notice that kahit anumang gawin ko dito, na-maintain yung relationship na yung parallel, yung opposite sides. No? Okay? So, ano kayang mga properties ng parallelogram sa tingin nyo? Siguro, syempre, pag tumitingin tayo sa properties ng parallelograms or ng figures or shapes or what you call this, polygons. Ang tinitignan natin ay yung angles, yung mga sides, yung kanilang what else? Kanilang angle sum, what else? So dito pag-aaralan lang natin or tignan lang natin yung angles saka yung sides. Ano bang special? So let's use the angle tool to measure the angles. Okay, so yun yung sukat. Reflection, no? But we can fix that later. Ibig sabihin ng reflex is greater than 180. Okay? So what we do para nasa loob lahat is to make the measure of all the angles between 0 and 180. So para sure tayo na interior angles. No? So notice that kahit anong gawin ko dyan, palagi siyang interior angles. So anong na-observe nyo ngayon doon sa interior angles? Ano na-observe nyo? 90.22, 90.22, then 89.78. This is also 89.78. Paano kung ginalaw ko? Pareho pa rin ba? Pareho pa rin? Pareho, no? So, isa sa mga properties is that opposite angles are congruent, no? So, isa yan sa mga properties ng parallelogram. Pwede natin lagay number 1, we have opposite angles are congruent. So, yan sa mga properties natin. Okay? Lakihan siguro natin ng konti, no? Maybe we'll have it medium. Oops. Click muna natin and then click yung medium. Okay? Number 2. What about the sides? Siyempre, pagkatapos ng angles, tignan naman natin yung sides. Anong hula nyo? Siguro nahuhulaan nyo na siya, no? So, ang properties, one of its properties, gawin nating value. So, lahat ng segments, lagay natin sa value para makita yung value niya or length niya. Okay? So, ano napapansin nyo? 4.82, 4.82, 2.72, 2.72. What else? Pareho pa rin ba? Pareho pa rin ba? Okay? Pareho pa rin ba? Pareho pa rin ba? Okay, so pare-pareho yung yung opposite sides are also congruent, no? So pwede natin siya idagdag dito sa number 2. We have Okay? Ano napapansin nyo sa magkasunod na angle naman? Kanina opposite yung tinignan natin, pareho, di ba? Pero tingnan nyo yung opposite na angle. For example, 100.29 tsaka 79.71. Mapapansin nyo na yung magkasunod na angle ay 180 degrees. Pwede nyo i-check using your calculator. 60.09 tapos 119.91. You'll see that it's 180 also. 107.99 and 72.01, that's also 180. 103.56 plus 76.44, that's still 180. So, another property, no, is that the consecutive angles, sum of the consecutive interior angles, I think it's okay yung consecutive angles is 180 degrees. Okay, so I think that's some of the properties of a parallelogram, yung pinaka-basic. So, later ay pag-aaralan pa natin ang mga ibang properties. Of course, hindi yan proof, no? Yan ay observations lang natin based dito sa ating diagram. Hindi pa natin ma-prove that if it's entirely true. Still, we have to prove it, no? So, yan yung importante ng mathematical proof in geometry and in all of mathematics. Okay, so maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.